Hey everyone, welcome back to Flights Assistance. If you're flying Frontier Airlines or thinking about it, you know they're an ultra-low-cost carrier with super cheap fares, but their policies can be strict. Today, we're breaking down Frontier's cancellation and refund policy based on their official rules as of 2026. I'll cover 10 essential points so you avoid surprises and know exactly what to expect. Let's dive in. Point 1. Most Frontier tickets are non-refundable. Frontier tickets are generally non-refundable. That means if you cancel for personal reasons, you usually won't get your money back in cash to your original payment method. Instead, after fees, the remaining value becomes a travel credit. Always check your fare type at booking. Some bundles offer more flexibility. Point 2. The 24-hour risk-free cancellation rule. Thanks to US rules, you can cancel for a full refund within 24 hours of booking, as long as your flight is at least 7 days, 168 hours, away. This doesn't apply if your trip starts within 7 days of purchase. Act fast. Go to Manage Trip on their site or app, and get your money back to the original card. Point 3. Voluntary cancellation fees for most fares. If you cancel after 24 hours, expect a $99 cancellation fee per passenger, per direction for basic or standard fares. This applies whether you cancel 60+ days out or closer to departure. If the fee is higher than your ticket value, you could lose everything, no credit left. Point 4. No cancellation fees on premium bundles. Good news. If you bought an economy, premium, or business bundle, or certain economy fare, BizFare options, there are zero cancellation fees. You keep the full value, minus any taxes or carrier charges, as travel credit. Upgrading your fare can save you big if plans change. Point 5. What happens when you cancel? After any fee, the remaining amount turns into a Frontier travel credit. These credits are usually valid for a set period, often years, non-transferable in most cases unless specified, and can be used for future flights. Log in to Manage Trip to cancel. Do it before departure to avoid no-show issues. Point 6. No-show equals total loss. If you don't cancel before departure and miss your flight, no check-in 60 minutes prior or boarding 20 minutes prior, it's a no-show. Your entire ticket is canceled with zero value, no credit, no refund. Always cancel even if you're sure you can't make it. Point 7. Refunds. When Frontier cancels or delays your flight. If Frontier cancels your flight, makes a significant schedule change, or delays over 3 hours, domestic, or 6 hours, international, you're eligible for options: rebooking, travel credit, or a full refund to your original payment for the unused portion. You must not take the rebooked flight and request the refund, or it may auto-issue after departure. Point 8. Refunds for paid services not received. Didn't get a service you paid for, like a bag that wasn't delivered or seat you selected. You may qualify for a refund on that portion. This falls under the same involuntary rules. Contact Frontier or use their refund options page. Point 9. Special cases, illness, death, or other exceptions. Frontier offers limited exceptions. For serious illness, like communicable disease, you might get a 5-year transferable travel credit with documentation. In case of death of the passenger, unused tickets can get a full refund with proof, death certificate. Jury duty or other rare situations may qualify to check their FAQ or contact support. Point 10. How to request refunds or changes. Go to flyfrontier.com/refund options or the Manage Trip section. For airline-caused issues, use their dedicated rebooking, refund link. Refunds processed to original payment may take weeks. Pro tip: always screenshot confirmations and no. Rules protect you for significant disruptions. Conclusion: there you have it. 10 key points on Frontier's cancellation and refund policy. Bottom line. Book smart with bundles if flexibility matters, use the 24-hour window, and know your rights when the airline messes up. Policies can update, so double-check on flyfrontier.com or their FAQ. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more travel tips, and comment your Frontier experiences below. Safe travels. See you next time. Thank you for watching.